Hello students, once again welcome to English Grammar Classroom. Today my topic is direct and indirect speech. This topic is for everyone, that is from class 6 to 12, everyone. Okay, now let's start. In direct speech we quote the actual words of the speaker, whereas in indirect speech we report the words of the speaker. Clear? Now there's a list, okay? The following list shows some words that always change when converting direct into indirect speech. Okay, for example, now changes to then in indirect speech. Okay, this in direct speech, this changes to that. Okay, these, okay, in direct speech, these changes to those. Okay, here changes to there. Now, this word next week, month, or year changes to following week, month, or year. Yesterday changes to the previous day. Last night, last week, last month, last year changes to the previous night, week, month, or year. Now, let's change these sentences to indirect speech. Okay? The first sentence is Alok said to me, your music collection is amazing. Now, if this reporting verb is in past tense, the reported speech is also changed to past tense. Okay, Alok said to me, this is a statement. Okay, said to is changed to told. Alok told me. After told, to is not used. Okay, Alok told me that. Okay, your music means my music. Okay, because Alok is telling me my music collection was amazing. Okay, reporting speech, reporting verb, past tense, reported speech is also changed into past tense. Therefore, is converted to was. Okay, the teacher said to the boys, if you work regularly, you will never fail in the examination. Look, teacher said to the boys. Okay, said to is converted to told. Teacher told the boys that if you change to they. Why? Because teacher is telling the boys. Okay, so they, if they worked regularly, past tense. Okay, reporting verb past tense, therefore the reported speech is also changed to past tense. If they worked regularly, they would never fail in the examination. Look here, I'm once again telling the teacher told the boys that if they, okay, worked regularly, they would never fail in the examination. Next sentence, he said to me, okay, the rain has been falling since daybreak and you cannot go until it stops. Again, until it stops. Okay, again he said to me. Okay, it's changed to he told me that. Okay, after removing the commas and inverted comma, to put that. Okay, the rain has been changes to had been falling. Okay, since daybreak and, okay, you means he's telling me, therefore you changes to I. Okay, cannot, past tense, could not go until it stopped. Okay, stop changes to stopped. Next, he said to me, you have made a serious mistake in your statement. Once again, look, he said to me, he told me that. Okay, you means I, because telling me I had past tense made a serious mistake in your statement is telling me, therefore my statement. Clear? Next, I have acted foolishly, said Bali. Okay, Bali admitted that. Look, Bali is admitting. Therefore, Bali admitted that I means this is Bali. Therefore, he. Okay, past tense, because the reporting verb past tense. Okay, therefore it is also changed to past tense. Bali admitted that he had acted foolishly. Next, I said to her, all your faults will be pardoned if you confess them. I told her that all your means to a girl have to look at her faults. All her faults will changes to would be pardoned if she, it's told to a girl, therefore you changes to she, if she confessed them. Next, I said to the boys, you should do your duty. I told the boys that Okay, I told boys plural form, therefore they, you changes to they, should do their duty. Your duty means boys' duty, their duty. Last one, the leader said, I will fight now or never. The leader said that I means the leader, therefore he will changes to would. Fight now changes to then. He would fight then or never. Okay, up to this much. In my next video, I am going to bring something new. Until then, goodbye.